So many people fall victim to online housing scams. What should they look out for?
Exactly. That's what I said. Like, just
Mhm.
go for the options that are close to reality.
Mhm.
Because some of the things that whenever you search online, it says, let's say a three-bedroom house, it's coming in 500. That's a total scam, because that's too good to be true. It
Mhm.
can't be. You can analyze the trend on different websites, that how much is one bedroom, is two bedroom, and it depends upon the area as well. One
Mhm.
bedroom, some in some areas it's coming around 600, but in the other areas that are the elite ones, that's coming in the 800 or 900, even for just one bedroom. So
Yeah, that's true.
just check for the details that the you are searching for. If you're searching for a housing association, you are going online with the different keep track record of the online websites. The most commonly used websites that's coming in the system now is the Zoopla, Rightmove, OpenRent.
Mhm.
some of the
Mhm.
some of the website, they do offer the rent, but it says in detail the house sharing. So
Okay.
just check out the options what you are looking for.
Mhm.
Landlords who demand deposits before property viewings, just never pay in cash. With the UK law, they can never ask you for the any advance before viewing the property. They
Okay.
can ask for the holding deposit. That's when comes when after viewing the property, when you have viewed the property in person, then that comes the holding deposit. But before that, nothing,
Mhm.
no payments at all. Communication outside verified websites, just do not fall for that. Just
Okay.
look out for the trusted websites, trusted platform that I
Mhm.
told you about.
Yeah.
Zoopla, Rightmove, OpenRent. These are the most rated and the good ones websites that someone can use. And never send any money without verifying the listing. Because
Mhm.
some people, what they do, if the you can say the specific website is the specific housing is mentioned, or is listed in a particular website, and it's
Mhm.
already sold. So the most of the scammers, what they do copy paste in on their website, and then they
Oh,
highlight that
exactly. That's so true.
available. So, and they just just rate it cheaper. So people,
Mhm.
students, or especially the new residents, they fall for that, and they just give the money to secure the property, but it's
Mhm.
never done. So just look out for the you can say the realistic options, and